OJ 3 cars and 2s with the Start Max 12 volt 2-year warranty on this thing. Jumpstart 800 amp jumpstart and air compressor. It's got the power button for the USB, 3 USBs on it, special power out or something. Indicator light for how much juice you got on your jump start. Go to the back there, the jumper cables, charging port, gauge for let you know how much air is under the tire. Down here, on and off switch for the compressor. But for Start to have that much stuff going on in this little compact, way too heavy.